Hey there, welcome to the Experience Life Through Fuselenses YouTube channel, the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. We're so excited to share with you the Fuselenses story today, who we are, why we exist, and our mission in this awesome world of ours. Real quick, it's dad joke time. What does the sun drink out of? Sunglasses. Hey, I'm Brandon Dill, the co-founder of Fuselenses based in sunny Clearwater, Florida. We believe that life is about the experiences you create, and our mission is to be the lenses that you view those experiences through. That's why we created this channel, to share ways to protect our eyes and our bodies from the sun so we can be out enjoying our life and our experiences to the fullest. I founded Fuselenses with my business partner, John Martino, in 2010. Before Fuse, John and I were working together in a wholesale prescription lens lab when a firefighter buddy told us that he scratched the lenses on a nice pair of Spy Optics sunglasses. He loved the frames, but he didn't want to dish out another couple $100s to replace them. He asked if we could help. Since we were already doing that same thing for prescription lenses, we figured, why not? We sourced some high-grade polarized lenses and replaced the lenses for him. He was so excited to have his shades back that he went back to his fire station and told everyone. They were all blown away at how fire the lenses were. Get it? They're firefighters? But really though, when we saw how excited the other firefighters were about replacing their lenses too, that's when we knew we had something here. We thought, why can't you get lenses easily replaced without it costing an arm and a leg? And that, my friends, is the beginning of Fuselenses, and the rest is history. So John and I already had a combined 30+ years of experience in the optical industry before starting Fuselenses. When we recognized that lenses and name brand sunglasses are either cheap, damaged easily, or have limited options for colors and materials, we knew we could find a more affordable way to replace lenses for all the people that deal with scratched or broken lenses, which is almost all of us. Sunglasses get beat up, dropped, sat on, and taken into the harshest elements, sometimes even lost and then found. If you take them on adventures, they may come back scratched. And that, my friends, is just life. With Fuse replacement lenses, you'll get the most out of your sunglasses so you can get out there and focus on enjoying your life. Since 2010, the Fuselenses team has grown, and we've grown our community of athletes, adventurers, fashionistas, and trusted Fuse partners. We've dedicated ourselves to making the highest quality lenses for all the brands that you already have and love, like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Costa Del Mar, Tom Ford, Warby Parker, Prada, Gucci, Fendi, Maui Jim, Diff Eyewear, Tory Burch, and I could go on, but naming all the brands we do would take the entire video. The fashion and apparel industries produce so much waste and are always wanting us to buy more. We don't want your expensive sunglasses to be cast aside just because the style is discontinued or there's no replacement options. Don't spend hundreds more on new sunglasses when you can replace your lenses and make them look even better than they did before. Our Fuse lenses are made of high quality polycarbonate. Plus, you can choose your polarization, mirror coatings, and tons of color options. And even better, we now offer Fuse RX prescription sunglass lenses as well, so you can turn your normal sunglasses or eyeglasses into prescription. Go to fuselenses.com to find your brand name and model, or just comment here and we'll let you know if we carry them. Then, all you do is select a lens style and option. Next, we'll mail the replacement lenses to you. They're super easy to replace at home, and we have tons of videos on our YouTube channel to guide you as well. If you wanted us to replace the lenses for you, you can opt in for our concierge service and we'll handle the installation and ship them back to you shiny and new. If you need prescription lenses, you ship us your glasses and our lab team will create custom prescription lenses just for you and ship them back ready to wear. Also, even if your lenses aren't broken, you can just get an extra pair of lenses as a color option too. Not a bad idea. Are you in the market for some high quality sunglasses that don't cost hundreds of dollars? Fuse just launched our own line of sunglasses with customizable lens colors, polarization, and mirror coating options. They're great if you're looking for a super affordable pair of frames with badass lenses. As a founder of Fuselenses, I couldn't be more proud of the amazing team that we've built here in Clearwater, Florida. They're hardworking, hilarious, and unique in their own way, and we have a whole lot of fun helping you see better and look better with replacement lenses. You may be thinking, how can people love sunglasses so much? Yeah, we love sunglasses, but we really love working together with each other and all the things we get to do outside together with our sunglasses. Like when we took a team trip to Busch Gardens, or when we got tattoos together. We're a family, and our Fuselenses community is part of that family too. You're the entire reason we exist and why we get to continue making awesome lenses for you. So thank you. Fuselenses is here to help you experience life to the fullest with good-looking shades. You only have 2 eyeballs in one life, so protect them. If you have any questions at all, comment below, email us, or hit us up on social. If you like learning about Fuselenses, which I hope you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell to know when we post new videos. See you next time.